Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today, I'll be reviewing this new NFT quick start course called NFT Ninja that will be dropping soon. In a nutshell, here's what this newest NFT quick start course NFT Ninja is. The information shared in this course comes from my real-life experiences of flipping NFTs at massive profits. If you apply the tactics shared in the course, you'll be able to start collecting profits from your NFTs in no time. Now let's talk about what NFT Ninja is packed with. 11 beginner modules on NFTs, 11 advanced modules on NFTs, NFT flipping strategies, bonus modules. 11 beginner modules on NFTs. Learn everything from how to set up your wallet, buying NFTs, avoiding scams. 11 advanced modules on NFTs. How to get the best deals on NFTs, getting free NFTs, and learning about NFT flipping strategies. The best strategy for flipping, maximizing your profits in short periods of time. And the bonus modules, the top NFT marketplaces, my NFT tools that I use on a daily basis to help you succeed on each NFT flip. To sum it up, NFT Ninja works fantastically for those who want to stay ahead of the masses. Best part? It gets you ahead of the curve by giving you a smarter, better, and faster way of getting today. I'm fully invested in the new trending NFT space and consistently flip NFTs full-time for a profit. I liked how beginner-friendly NFT Ninja is without compromising its delivery. Watch out for this NFT quick start course when it opens to the market very soon. Click on the link in the description to find out more. That ends my review. Thanks for watching.